tashika watava kure kure kungwa katakari yambukira kuye kuye beri kwatoyenda makomo ari kure atika ngamwe kwatava pano tashika
Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed an honor for me to be here with you at the commissioning of Masosha Greenhouse here in Makoni District Ward 24. The greenhouse that has been commissioned by our guest of honor here was built in partnership between the government of Zimbabwe and Sweden. We have been told that a lot of money was used to come up to where we are. I would like to thank Makoni Rural District Council for being part of this program. They supported this project through the provision, of course, of agricultural inputs, as we have been told, and a lot of other things. This greenhouse has come to these people of Masosha village who are hard hit by drought and many other unwanted things that may visit them because they live in Region 4. Where minimal rainfall is received. Now they've suddenly become horticulturalists, and this horticultural project is going to take them far. It is our president's mission that poverty be eradicated and eliminated in all rural areas. We are all aware that the drought situation has been declared as an emergency by our president. In light of that, the government has assured that no one will die of hunger. In this regard, more beneficiaries will now come on board to receive grain through the Department of Social Welfare. Yeah.
This transformative initiative marks a pivotal step towards reducing poverty and enhancing livelihoods through gender-responsive and inclusive local economic development in 12 centers of excellence for gender in local government. The vision for this program is to create a society where women, youth, and men have equal opportunities to contribute to and benefit from the economy. Let me take this opportunity to inform you that on the 1st of November 2023, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Dr. Emmerson Damzo Mnangagwa, launched the local authorities' blueprint on service delivery, underpinned by the mantra, call to action and no compromise to service delivery. The three pillars that are enshrined in this call to action is the development of master plans, valuation roles, and enhanced planning and resource mobilization. It is therefore critical to underscore the local authorities as a third tier of government are a critical stakeholder in achievement of an upper middle income society by 2030. I am therefore highly elated that Makoni Rural District Council contributed toward the success of the Masosha Greenhouse project, which resonates well with the call to action, no compromise to service delivery. I repeat. Esteemed colleagues, we envision an upper middle income economy by 2030, with local authorities that are empowered to drive economic development that is inclusive, sustainable, and gender responsive. Through this program, viable local economic development flagships enterprises have been established in 12 centers of excellence for gender in local government. These flagships enterprises will serve as models of best practice, showcasing how gender-responsive local economic development can derive economic growth and create meaningful opportunities for all. Together with our partner Gender Links, through support from the Embassy of Sweden in Zimbabwe, we carefully selected 12 local authorities to be part of this program, each representing a diverse range of communities and economic sectors. The total value of the project is said to be $4.6 million over 3 years. The projects include the construction of horticulture infrastructure, such as greenhouses and mushroom houses. Waste management facilities were also constructed and relevant equipment was procured. Ngatinguzoisaiwo president wedu pamunamato kuti waramba wachingokomborerwa nenjere dzekutungamirira nyika ino kuti tibve munzara tipinde mumaguta nguva nenguva. Ndafara zvikuru ndichinzwa zvakare mari dzakashandiswa pano neve-Gender Links vakabatana neve-Swedish Embassy 4.6 million yanzi nemumwe mwana 4,600 mumwe akati 100 million yese yavanga vachitaura ukazoenda unoona inosvika pa 4.6 million havana kutadza vana. Tinokutendai Madam Maposa nebasa ramuri kuita munyika yekwedu muchishanda neministry yedu. Isu seministry ticharamba tichingoshanda nemi tichikukurudzirai kuti mutekeshere mumatunhu edu ese ari 10. Asi ndinoda kuti svondo rinouya tinge taakutorongawo kumurehwa north kunova kwandinobva ini.
So the program is entitled Promoting Gender Inclusive Local Economic Development Program. This program is being implemented by the government of Zimbabwe, most importantly in partnership with the Ministry of Local Government and Public Works. The reason that the ministry is the parent ministry for all local authorities in Zimbabwe, the 92 local authorities, and Gender Links, in partnership with the ministry, is working with all the 92 local authorities in Zimbabwe on a program aimed at mainstreaming gender in local authorities so that our local authorities can provide gender responsive and gender sensitive services. So we want to thank the continued support by the Ministry of Local Government, where we have continued to receive policy direction on how we program as an organization.
Chirongwa ichi tiri kufara chaizvo kuti tiri kuona kuti zviri kuendeka, zviri kuratidza kuti vision 2030 yakataurwa napresident ichitaura kuti tinoda kuti kumaruzevha, kumaruwa kunge kwaane maindustry, kunge kwaane maproject, kunge kwaane zvinhu zvinoita pundutso yewanhu. Tiri kuona vision iri kuendeka nekuti project ichitarisa it's a multi-million dollar project iri kuratidza kuti kana chifambi, kana nyope, zvikozodo, kana zvese izvo zviro zvakaipa tiri kuona zviri kudzimika, uye nemhosva dzatani tiri kutonga dzakawandisa mazuva apera echihure muno mudunhu tiri kutoona kuti zvakupera. Zvikozodo tiri kuona kuti vana vakutopera kuenda kuzvikoro, vana vakuenda kuchikoro. Iri ndo zvinonzi kurongeka kwehurumende yedu yeZimbabwe.